So let's solve this question. So in this question, we have 80 equals to 2 into 50 plus 20, that is 70, plus 75 into 20, that equals to 4.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3, A2, 150 into 20, that equals to 3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Now, since cross section of section 2 is same as cross section area of section 3, therefore area of cross section 3 is A3, 3 into 10 raised to power minus 3, y dash summation y a dash by summation a, so that equals to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3 a3. Putting the values, we get it as 0.059514 meter. Now I equals I1 plus I2 plus I3. Equation number first, I1 equals to what? 1 by 12 B1 H1 cube plus A1 y dash minus y1 dash square. Putting the value, we get I1 as 1.068553 into 10 raised to power minus 5. I2 equals to I3. So I2 is equals to what? I2 is equals to 1 by 12 B2 H2 cube plus A2 y2 dash minus y1 y dash square. Putting the value, we get it as 9.40277 into 10 raised to power minus 6. I equals to what? I equals volume for I, we get it as 2.94909 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Q equals to y dash a dash 2. Calculate the value of a dash. A1 equals to a dash, that equals to 4.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So Q will be equals to what? 0.2129 into 10 raised to power minus 3, 10 raised to power minus 3. Tau equals to VQ by IT. Putting the value, we get V equals to 499 kilonewton.